In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Wix website as a PDF. If you've been looking to create a convenient offline version of your site or share it easily with others, turning it into a PDF is a great option. We're going to walk through the steps together, ensuring you capture your website exactly how you envision it. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open the Wix website editor. This is your main workspace where you can make changes to your site and see everything laid out. Access it by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the editor. Once you're in and your site is open, it's important to get a full view of your website as it will appear to your visitors. To do this, we're going to click on the preview button. This step is crucial because it allows us to see what your website will look like in its final published form without the additional editor tools cluttering the view. It's essentially like putting on glasses to view your site sharply and clearly, ensuring everything looks right before we proceed. Now, with the preview open, it's time to capture what you see into a PDF format. For this, hover your cursor and then right-click anywhere on the page. This will open a context menu, a handy little tool that offers several options for interacting with the web page. In this menu, you'll want to find and select the print option. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're not actually printing with a printer, but bear with me. Choosing print will open up the print dialog box, which is a multifunctional tool. Within this print dialog box, look for the option to save as PDF. This is the part that will transform all that colorful interactive content from your Wix site into a neat, organized PDF file. So, once you see Save as PDF among your print options, make sure to select it. After selecting, the final step is simple. Just click on print, which in this context means saving the file, not physically printing it out. And there you have it. You have now successfully downloaded your Wix website as a PDF file. This PDF can be saved on your computer, shared via email, or even uploaded to a cloud service for easy access. Your website, now portable and easily shareable, can be viewed by others exactly as it was captured, ensuring that all your content appears just the way you intended. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you find many uses for your new PDF. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.